Hi, it's Denise, and the sunflowers are out, so I thought I would just let you see them. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you want to learn more about gardening and cleaning and cooking and laundry and those kind of household related things, subscribe. I do videos about these topics all the time, but definitely check out the show notes in the description box below because that's where I'll link some of my favorite gardening and housekeeping solutions. And today, I was just out taking care of a few gardening chores and I was thinking, the sunflowers just look so beautiful. And I don't think they were open the last time I did a garden walk. So I wanted you to see them while they were at their peaks. So let's take a look. Aren't they gorgeous? They just look so happy. And look at this one right here. The petals are starting to drop just a little bit. And I can see where some of the birds have already been taking some of the seeds out of them. So when I say I've got a bird garden, that's exactly what it is. And this one here too was looking awfully sweet. And these are sunflowers that have been planted by the birds. They dropped from the bird feeder and just grew. This is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll leave you with the perfect view. These beautiful sunflowers just dancing lightly in the wind.